this video I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas tree napkin. You can find this pattern in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link to my Etsy shop below. First, let's print and cut paper pattern. Make sure the scale is correct by checking the ruler you can see on the paper pages. Use scotch tape or glue stick to attach paper template together. Trace napkin onto the fabric and cut it out. Use contrasting fabrics for two sides to get better results. Don't forget about the stem piece like I almost did and cut it out of the fabric. With the right sides together, straight stitch the stem and leave the top side open. Snip the corners of the bottom side. Turn stem right side out, make sure all corners are nicely turned and iron flat. Mark stem placement to one of the napkin sides and pin it. Make sure you pin it properly. Use marks A and B on the paper template. With the right sides together, pin the napkin pieces and straight stitch. Leave open about 3 to 4 inches gap in the middle of the straight side. Snip both corners of the napkin. Turn the napkin right side out with hemostat or any other favorite tool you like to use. Make sure fabric didn't fold inside along curved line. You can use also chopstick to help for this step, and iron your napkin flat. Iron the gap seam allowance towards the inside of the napkin. Place paper pattern onto the napkin and draw a perpendicular line. It's marked as line 1 on the paper template. Now top stitch the Christmas tree napkin all around, close to the edge, and also stitch the line you marked in the previous step. That you are done sewing, it's time to fold the napkin to make it look like a tree. Step 1. Fold the fabric onto the stitch line you made in previous step on our line 1 and iron it flat. Now you have to fold this part into thirds. You can use paper template lines for your reference, but if you just divide iron part onto 3 parts, you will get the same result. Try to line up your edges of your Christmas tree. Try to fold it nice and even. Now you have to divide the rest of the napkin onto another 3 parts. You can use your paper template with marked lines or just follow this video and fold it evenly. When you're happy with your foldings, iron this part of the napkin. You can iron this napkin different ways if you select a contrasting fabric. I like green color as my top color, so I'll keep my napkin this way. Thank you for watching my video. You can purchase this napkin in my Etsy shop if you follow the link below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!